How much will you charge me to sell my home? As a realtor, this is a common question I get from sellers, and it's reasonable. It's a reasonable question. Sellers want to understand the costs associated with selling their home and how much they will pay in commissions when they sell their home. Today, I'll be explaining what we provide for you when you hire a realtor to help you sell your home. Knock knock, Yitzchak here, realtor and success coach, helping you get from where you are to where you want to be. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, then subscribe below and tap the bell icon for notifications so you can be the first to learn all about the latest and greatest information about real estate. I get calls and texts every day from people just like you looking to make a move, and I love helping. Whether you're looking to move in 9 or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. I'm happy to help you make your next move a smooth process. So, if you choose to work with a realtor to sell your home, we charge a commission rate because we provide valuable services to sellers throughout the home selling process. Our commission rate covers the costs of marketing and advertising your home, as well as the time and expertise we provide to help you sell your home quickly and for the best possible price. Here are some ways we earn our commission rate and provide value to our clients. First, we have in-depth knowledge of the local real estate market, which allows us to help you price your home competitively and attract potential buyers. We use a combination of data analysis, market research, and our experience to determine the best price for your home. Second, we use a variety of marketing and advertising strategies to help you sell your home quickly and for the best possible price. This includes listing your home on the MLS, paying for professional photography and virtual tours, and promoting your home on social media and other online platforms. Third, as realtors, we have strong negotiation skills that can help you get the best possible price for your home. We will work on your behalf to negotiate with buyers and their agents to get you the best deal possible. Fourth, we are familiar with all of the legal documents and processes involved in selling your home, which can be complex and time-consuming. We can help you navigate these processes and ensure that all of the necessary paperwork is completed correctly. Finally, selling a home can be a time-consuming process, and many sellers do not have the time or resources to handle everything on their own. As realtors, we can handle many of the tasks involved in selling your home, which can save you time and hassle. In summary, our commission rates covers the cost of all the services we provide as your realtor, including pricing, expertise, marketing, advertising, negotiation skills, legal expertise, and time and convenience. We work hard for our commission and by providing value to our clients and helping them sell their homes quickly and for the best price possible. I hope this information was helpful, and remember, whether you're thinking about moving in 9 or 90 days, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call.